I woke up with the idea of red versus black. So I got a bunch of red trucks and black trucks, and they're going to face off in a winner-take-all battle of the colors. So who do you think is going to win? We're kicking things off with the red Ford F-150 Raptor versus the black and gold Bigfoot.
Winner, lane 3.
Bigfoot advances. The Ford F-150 Raptor has been eliminated. Already in the start gate and ready to go, we have the black Monster Mutt versus the mostly red Captain's Curse.
Winner, lane 3.
Captain's Curse advances. Monster Mutt has been eliminated. In our third race representing the red team, we have the Amazing Spider-Man versus Gravedigger representing the black team.
Winner, lane 3.
Gravedigger advances quite handily. The Amazing Spider-Man has been eliminated. With maybe the best representative of the black team, we have Darth Vader versus the black and red, but going for the red team, Harley Quinn.
Winner, lane 4.
Darth Vader advances. Harley Quinn has been eliminated. The red Ramblin' Wrecker is ready to go versus the black Bone Shaker.
Winner, lane 5.
Ramblin' Wrecker advances. The Bone Shaker has been eliminated. Representing the black team, we have Excalibur versus the muddy but red Land Rover.
Winner, lane 3.
Land Rover advances. Excalibur has been eliminated. I know he's blue, but he's got red tires. It's Totaled versus Daredevil.
Winner, lane 3.
Daredevil advances. Totaled has been eliminated. In our last race of the first round, representing the black team, it's War Machine versus the predominantly red Carbonator.
Winner, lane 5.
He ends up on his lid, but he advances. It's War Machine, and the Carbonator has been eliminated. The black team did well for itself in the first round, winning 5 out of 8 races. The red team is down to 3 trucks, and the odds are stacking against them to win. Do you think they can come back in the second round and even things up? Let's find out. Kicking off the second round for the black team, it's Bigfoot versus Captain's Curse for Team Red.
Winner, lane 4.
Bigfoot advances. Captain's Curse has been eliminated. It's the red Ramblin' Wrecker versus Team Black Gravedigger.
Winner, lane 3.
Gravedigger advances. The Ramblin' Wrecker has been eliminated. Waiting at the start line, it's Team Black's Darth Vader versus the last red truck standing and the only hope for Team Red to win. It's Land Rover.
Winner, lane 2.
Land Rover advances and Team Red stays alive. Darth Vader has been eliminated. The last race of the second round is a formality, but which black truck is going to win it? Is it going to be War Machine or Daredevil?
Winner, lane 2.
Daredevil advances. War Machine has been eliminated. Team Black has a stranglehold on this competition, with 3 out of 4 trucks still in the running. The last hope for Red is the Land Rover. Do you think he can defy the odds and win this whole competition? Kicking off the 3rd round, it's the sole remaining member of Team Red, Land Rover, versus Team Black, Bigfoot.
Winner, lane 4.
Land Rover advances. Bigfoot has been eliminated. Land Rover stays alive. Do you think he can win it all? In the final race of the 3rd round, it's Team Black's Daredevil versus Team Black's Gravedigger. Let's see what truck is going to represent their team in the final.
Winner, lane 5.
Daredevil advances. Gravedigger has been eliminated. It's Black versus Red. Who you got? In our final race, representing Team Red, it's a Land Rover versus Team Black's Daredevil.
Winner, lane 2.
Winning the Red versus Black Team Challenge, it's Team Black's Daredevil. I'd love to know what you thought of the race. Please leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.